Hi everybody, the Post-War Pingu here, and today we have something a little different. I'm filming this video right after I filmed the 2026 review, so yeah. Anyways, today I'm reviewing this Marx Commodore Vanderbilt. This one is very nice. So yeah. The Commodore Vanderbilt was the first streamlined steam locomotive. It was made in 1934 from an NYC Hudson, and it was just like this. It's like the nose and stuff. This one is a Marx. I believe it's 1939 or so, maybe 1937. And excuse those noises, please. Yeah. And this is a custom painted one, so it's not original, but still extremely nice. So, yeah. Anyways, the story. Bought this. The same thing as the 2026. I was at the train show and I found. And the guy was selling stuff for half off. Got this thing for like $22.50. And Ives passenger cars. Yeah, these things they're from the 20s. I believe these are 1922. Yeah, they're not in all that good of shape, but they're still nice. And I know they're not Marx, but their couplers fit in with the Marx couplers, so it's good. So yeah. And this thing is very, very nice. Like, I mean, paint is crisp and stuff. Yeah, Marx. Yeah, taking a photo. There's the, baggage car. I just had that stuck in my throat. And 2 chair cars. These things are, yeah, as I said before, they're pretty beat up, but Ives in great condition are pretty hard to find nowadays. So, here. As you can see, the headlight is like a light bulb right in front of the locomotive. As you can zoom in, nice dark central plate, Commodore Vanderbilt, and teardrop smokestack. Yeah, anyways, without further ado, let's get running. Hold on, just left the cars behind. Yeah. That's the cars behind. Don't worry, I'll send it over. Alright. Maybe I'll need to switch. Excuse me. It's just some couplers. It's flimsy. Let's go. And yeah, so it's very approximate on the sauce. Going into the station. And that's all for this review, since I don't have a lot of memory for videos on my camera left. So, anyways, here's Marx TV. Post-War Pingu signing off, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.